Let's make some Post-it themed slides together. Start off by inserting the rectangle shape with a folded corner. Resize the shape to 7 centimeters for both width and height. Then give the shape a fill color to your liking or based on brand colors. Find an outline color that goes well with your color choice. Next, go to the Insert tab and click on Icons. Type the word pin into the search bar. Select a pin icon to your liking. Rotate the pin icon to be vertical. You can use the guiding lines on the slide as reference. Then place the pin at the top of your Post-it shape. Finally, give the pin a matching color. In a second step, enter your text into the Post-it shape. Then adjust the text color to fit your overall color scheme and select a writing style in the drop-down. Before moving on to the slide design, group all of the elements. This way they will move as a unit. Now copy-paste the grouping 3 more times and arrange the Post-its in a horizontal line. Use the red guiding lines for an even distribution. To ensure regular spacing, you can select all shapes and go to Arrange. In the Align drop-down, then select Distribute horizontally. You can also use a less structured approach and arrange the Post-its in a more messy look. For this, rotate the shape groupings to different degrees and let them overlap in some places. If you want to secure your arrangement, you can group all shapes. For more variation, you can also adjust the colors of the different Post-its. The outline colors and pin colors can also be adjusted. In the end, a shadow can be added to all shapes for more dimension. In case you grouped everything, just click on the grouping and add a shadow. If you did not group all the shapes, simply select the shapes that you would like to add a shadow to. And there you have your final slide. The design is versatile, and you can use the same basis to create different slides based on your needs. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.